QueBIT presents Cognos Analytics data modelling features. Cognos Analytics allows for easy uploading of personal data, whether it be for quick analysis or comparisons against other sources. On the Cognos Analytics homepage, select the New icon at the bottom left and select Upload. Select your personal Excel or CSV file to upload. In the interface, you can choose which columns are uploaded from the file. Cognos Analytics will determine the type of data in a column and has the option to override that determination if needed. Your file now exists in your My Content. We will now create a data module in the web interface of Cognos Analytics, which can use flat files and enterprise data as sources. You can add your data to a data module by adding a source and selecting the uploaded file. After adding the data module to the sources, we will drag the source into the data module. This ad hoc modelling tool allows for creating new calculations based on existing data items using the calculation editor and the expression pane. Filtering, which can be done on both descriptive data and fact-based numeric data. Sorting, ascending or descending on descriptive or facts-based data. And much more, including creating joins and relationships, creating custom groups and setting cardinality. Once the data module is complete, its structure can be validated using the validate feature and its output tested using the try function functionality. The data module is now saved and can now be used for dashboards and reports. For more information, please visit us at AskQueBIT, blog.QueBIT.com and QueBIT.com. Thank you.